Welcome back to Mind Pump TV, everybody. I'm Max Lugavere, the author of the new book, The Genius Life. And in The Genius Life, I talk about a certain set of industrial grain and seed oils that I call the ominous oils. And under that category, I include canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, and grapeseed oil. Why are they ominous? Because industrially processed grain and seed oils all undergo a step in the production chain called deodorization, which is to ensure that these oils are tasteless and scentless. Manufacturers love it. It's the sort of culinary equivalent of the witness protection program, where these oils are basically made tasteless so that they can be used in an entire range of ultra-processed food products, ranging from salad dressings to granola bars to wheat and chicken dishes, you name it. And the problem with this deodorization step is that it actually creates a small but significant amount of trans fats. So anytime you're consuming canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, or grapeseed oil, you're consuming a decent amount of artificially man-made trans fats, of which there is no safe level of human consumption. The dose makes the poison, after all, but the consumption of these oils has been associated with increased risk for cardiovascular disease, for Alzheimer's disease, and even worse memory function in the young and healthy. So my advice is, to the best of your ability, to avoid these oils and instead reach for oils like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. And for high heat cooking in the house, you can use oils like butter or ghee.